In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a single-page website in Squarespace. We're going to focus on one simple workflow inside your dashboard that cleans up your site's pages so visitors see just a single, streamlined page. This is perfect if you want a minimalist portfolio, a simple landing page, or a clean one-page presence without extra navigation links getting in the way. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard. On the left-hand side, click Website and then click Pages. This opens the Pages panel, which is where all of your site's pages live. You'll see sections for your navigation and another area labeled Not Linked. Think of the navigation area as your public menu and Not Linked as storage for pages you still want on the site but don't want showing up in the menu. To create a true single-page experience, take any pages you don't want in your site's navigation and simply drag them into the Not Linked section. When a page sits under Not Linked, it's still part of your site and can be accessed by its direct URL, but it won't appear in the top or side navigation. This is an easy way to keep content available in the background while your visitors experience the site as one clean page. If there are pages you no longer need at all, hover over each one and click the trash icon to remove them one by one. Deleting a page permanently removes it from your site, so use this option when you're absolutely sure you don't need that content anymore. It's a fast way to reduce clutter and keep your site focused. Another option is to temporarily turn off a page without deleting it. Hover over the page, click the gear icon to open its settings, and disable the Enable Page option. When a page is disabled, it won't be visible to visitors or published live, but you can always turn it back on later. This is helpful if you're still working on content or want to keep a draft version in the background. That's everything you need. Click Website, click Pages, and then decide whether to drag pages to Not Linked, delete them with the trash icon, or disable them via the gear icon by turning off Enable Page. The goal is to leave only the one page you want visible in your navigation. With that done, your Squarespace site will behave like a polished, single-page website, simple, focused, and easy to navigate.